In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete labels in Microsoft Planner. If you've ever tagged a task with a color and later realized it's not the right fit, this walkthrough is for you. We're focusing on removing a label from a single task, which is perfect when you just don't want that color to show on that task anymore. This does not delete the label from your entire plan. It simply removes it from the specific task you're looking at, keeping everything else intact. Start by opening the task card you want to adjust. In your board, click the task to bring up its detailed view. You'll see the task's title, checklist, attachments, dates, and more, all in one place. In this panel, look for the Labels section. It's the area that shows the colored labels currently applied to the task, often appearing as small colored tabs or pills with names you or your team may have set. Now find the label you want to remove and click the small X next to it. This is the quick way to clear that color from this particular task. The moment you do, the colored tab disappears from the task card, both in the detail view and back on the board. There's no save button needed. It updates immediately. A few helpful notes while you're doing this. Removing a label from a task won't affect other tasks that use the same label. It also won't delete the label from the plan, change your buckets, or modify due dates, assignees, or checklists. Think of it like untagging the task rather than erasing the tag from your workspace. If your team relies on labels for filtering or quick visual scanning, this keeps their workflow intact while you tidy up this one item. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same labels area on the task card and reapply the label later. Nothing about the label's name or color is lost when you remove it from a single task. It stays available for future use across your plan. This quick cleanup is especially useful when a task changes status or purpose and no longer needs a category like high priority or blocked. By keeping labels accurate, your board becomes easier to scan, filters remain meaningful, and teammates can trust what they see at a glance. And that's all it takes. Open the task card, visit the labels section, and click the X next to the label you want to remove. Simple, immediate, and reversible if needed, so your planner stays clear, consistent, and focused on what matters.